Welcome to MOS Review. Today we're going to do a pretty much unboxing. We'll look at the settings, components, everything, and then the review of the Weeylite. Now it's the RB9 RGB Light, and so what that indicates pretty much it can change colors, and a lot of times they have like different settings, lightning, and just different effects that a lot of these lights have. And so we're just going to go to the unboxing and see what's all in the box. Okay. And so this is tightly sealed, so remember the first time you open it, when it's sealed like this, after the first time, it opens easily. Okay, so here we have the warranty. So you get a warranty card. You have a user manual. And so it gives you all the information you need to know about the settings, setup, how to charge it, QR code, and just different things. Get it here. I believe it was 2 different languages, or maybe even more. I think it's several languages. All right. And I'm just redoing it. Okay, so here we have the light. Let's see, down here. So, okay. So here we have a little pouch for it. It's weird, the pouch is actually, there's part that's sewn. So obviously to hold, here you hold the light, here you hold the components, like the charging cable and everything. Okay, we'll move some more. So now these lights are great for photography or videography. Also, you know, just if you're a content creator, overhead. Okay, so you get a little adapter. You also get a little tripod, and it's a very small tripod. Let's see. You get a cable. And this again for the tripod. And this is like a little plastic thing that you get. I wonder if it's to secure it or keep it so it doesn't break the light. Having issues today. All right. That goes there. This goes like this. And hopefully it closes again. All right. Okay. So we're going to look at the light. And then I'm going to charge it for a little bit. And then we'll look at the settings and everything. Okay, so this is the back. And there's the side. Yeah, I'll just go through each side so you can see. there's the front. And again, there's the back. I'll turn it on for a second. And the on, you just turn it from left to right. As you can tell, off, on. And it doesn't come charged. So, or does it? Let's see. Nope. So you will have to charge it when you first get it. All right, and so we'll continue on. Okay, so after charging the Weeylite RB9 RGB Light, we're just going to test it. And so first thing you're going to do is want to turn it on, the on-off switch right there. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but you can dim it. And so what I'm going to do is dim it. And then I'm going to make it brighter. Okay, so that's 100%. I'm going to press set. That'll allow me to go from 5,500K to 8,500. And then I'm just going to go down to 2,500. Go back up. I'm going to keep it at 5,500. Okay, and then I'm going to press the menu. Now this is 100. So I'm just going to lower it to 50. I'm going to press set, and then I can adjust the color. And so you can see they turn red, purple, all the different colors. Okay, I'm going to press set. And that allows me to adjust that setting. So that's a 0. Here we're looking at 100. You notice it's more green. Okay, so I'm going to press menu. And I could adjust the RGB WY. And so here's the red. And this is 100. Lower it. Here's the green. And it's going up to 100. Okay, I'm going to lower it back to 0. And we can play with it, the different color combinations after. Here's the blue. And this is 100. And then next the white. And this is 100. And finally the yellow. So here we have at 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. Okay, we're going to combine the, let's see, 30% at the yellow and, see, 40% blue. See if we can combine green, 20%. And so you have that color. And so you press menu, and this is scene. So put it at 100. Let's put it back to 50. Here we got fast, slow, normal. Scene P. That's that scene. Here's lightning. Here, let's try to slow down the lightning. Okay. Next scene. Here we go, next scene. And so this is like a fireplace. Here, let's try to set it higher. Put it back down to 50. And so you just keep playing with it, and you can play with the different settings. Here it looks like a flash, or like flash photography. Here's the TV. Here's another setting. There's the next setting. Another one. Another one. Here we have another one. There's a lot of settings. Here we have CCT. Lightning. Okay, so we're back to, that's police sirens. Okay, here's champagne. Here's some cloud. Here's like a, I don't know what that one is. Yeah, there's a lot. Here's like birthday cake. Here's a heart one. Grass. Ocean or water. Here's starlight, I guess. Red. U. Green. Okay, and so that's all the sense in that one. And so that's pretty much everything you can do in the Weeylite LED light, and hopefully that shows you everything. And it comes with a little tripod that you can connect it to here too. It gives you this to connect it with your actual, camera. This is extremely well built. Feels like it's all metal, and so nothing that I noticed you could use this for besides protecting the front. You can put it here, and I'll show you what you can do. It dims it a little. Oh, let me switch it back to normal. Okay, so here we go. And so you don't get the reflection as much. But you have to, there you go. So there's less of a reflection. Actually, I have it the wrong way. It's supposed to be this way. That way you can still control it, and you can also connect it, because you notice it has the holes for everything. So you could dim it, and with that, you won't get the reflection on certain tables or anything. So they thought of everything. Great little light. Can't wait to use it more. And that's the Weeylite RB9. Okay, so now we're going to do the review portion of the light. I did forget to do it, so we're just doing it now. Just a great light, very impressed with it, well designed, nice made out of metal and everything, just well thought out, and it does compete with other name brands. So as far as the rules or the manual for the light, I would give it 5 out of 5. It explains everything. It details all the settings, how to charge it and everything, how to read the power and everything. So 5 out of 5, just extremely well done manual. Components, I would give it 5 out of 5. It's metal. I like that it also comes with a rubber that you can put front for dimming the light a little. It also protects it as well. It comes with a little cloth bag, so you don't have to keep it in the box. And then the little tripod, and also the adapter for top of the camera. Just everything was thought out. So components, 5 out of 5. So for the light itself experience, I would give it 4.5 out of 5. I just wish that the start button or the power on button was a press down button as opposed to a slide button, because it is a little, I would say, hard to turn it on. Power on button that you just press down would have been easier. That's my only negative. So in that aspect, I give it 4.5 out of 5. So just the overall light variability and just how bright it gets, I would give like a 5 out of 5. It gets so bright, especially for a little light. You probably could do a lot of like photography for like food or just product photography. This would do very well. Also because it goes down to 0. Some of the lights I've experienced only goes down to like 5 or 10. This actually goes down to 0, which I appreciate. So 5 out of 5. So on the brightness and everything, variability. So overall total, I would give this like a 4.5 or 5. Just everything about it is phenomenal. Great little light. I'll be using my photography, videography, my use of special effects for something in the near future for my other channel. So just a great light. I really appreciate it. It was thought out and extremely well made, and the light and everything settings and the special effects that it does. So 5 out of 5. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. My social media is going to be down below. I have a link where I buy the light, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.